Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Wandira. I am from Widya Gama Mahakam University. Now I will show you about my video, and my video is one of the best application in the world, and that is Zoom. But before I show you about what is this application and how to using this and how to sign up for Zoom, I will explanation to you about TPAC. TPACK. And TPAC is stand of technological content knowledge. It is that was developed to explain the set of knowledge, and the teacher need to teach their student subject, teach effectively and use technology. TPAC have any elements like content knowledge, pedagogical content knowledge, and technological content knowledge. And maybe you like using Word, PPT, and WebEx. That is like TPAC. TPAC is using to teach student and how to make the classroom easily to learn. Okay, Zoom is the application used for video conferencing meeting, and Zoom has a very good function in teaching. For example, Zoom can be used in anytime and anywhere. And for example, Zoom can be used attending the teacher teach student and make it easier for the teacher to convey the material. Okay, you can watching my video and you can see how to sign up for Zoom and how to using the Zoom. Okay, now I will show you about one of the best application in the world, and that is Zoom. But before I show to you about what is this application, how to using this, and how to sign up for Zoom, I will explanation to you about TPAC. TPAC, TPACK. Do you know what is TPAC? Okay. TPAC is stand of technological content knowledge. It is that was developed to explain the set of knowledge that teachers need to teach their student a subject, teach effectively and use technology. TPAC have any element like content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and other. And maybe you know Word, PPT, that is a TPAC, guys. Okay, now I will explanation to you. I will explain to you about Zoom. Do you know Zoom? Zoom is the application used for video conferencing or meeting. Zoom has a very good function in teaching. For example, Zoom can be used anytime and anywhere by taking the teacher to teach students and make it easier for the teacher to convey the material. Okay, before you using Zoom, you must install the application for your laptop or your handphone. Okay. Download the application using laptop, PC, or gadget at home. But now I have Zoom. Okay, now we click Zoom. Okay, you must be join meeting or sign up. If you wanted to join meeting, you must be click join meeting. But if you wanted to sign up, you can click sign up. You click sign up. Okay, in sign in, you can using to sign in with SSO, sign in with Google, or sign in with Facebook. Okay, now I want to sign in with Facebook. Okay, if you have joined to sign in, you can click open link. Okay, we waiting to connect in Facebook. Okay, this is a wallpaper in Zoom. Okay, you can join. You can click join, share screen, or schedule or your meeting to you. But now I will click new meeting because I want to meeting to my friend. Okay. I'm sorry guys, my camera is not clear. And now you can enjoy with computer on video. Okay. If you wanted to invite to your friends, your students, and your teacher, you must be share your meeting idea. Your meeting idea like this is 5 and 2 3 7 0 5 6 3 4. Okay, I have shared to my meeting idea to my friend, and now we waiting for this my friend join to our this my meeting. Okay. Yeah, if you want to do, but this application not only one not only to your invite to one people, but one more people your invite to your join to your meeting. Okay, we waiting for this. Okay, my friend is so. Yeah guys, your Zoom meeting ID like this. Yeah, you 5 2 3 7 0 5 6 3 and 4. And this is your Zoom meeting idea. Okay, we waiting for this. My friend is joined to our. Okay guys, this is chat. You can using this chat to chatting for your student, chatting for your friends or your teacher and discuss your subject. And my friend is joined to our, but not only your friend, you can see invite your teacher, your student to join to you and to discuss your material, because this application we can using anytime and anywhere. Okay, now we'll be using this application to discuss to your subject. You must be share your subject. You must click share and whiteboard and find to you wanted to share to your friend. Okay, click share. And now I wanted to share my PPT academic writing. Okay, academic writing. Yeah, for example like this. If you want to discussion group, you can share your PPT in this application, and you can discuss with your friend what is your subject. when you share your subject in this application, your friend can see when you're sharing, and can also see your PPT in this application. And Zoom have many features like this, and you using the feature to create to your video, create to your subject when you are meeting to your friend, your teacher, or your student. Okay, now we go back to first. Okay. Okay, this application have a chat, have a record, and invite like this. And if you wanted to end in meeting, you can click end meeting for all, and click sign out and click out. Okay. Okay guys, this application is going to be very good because you can using this application to discuss with your friend, your students, or any other in any country or in your country too, is anywhere or anytime. And with the Zoom can make their speak is your speak or other people speak is very good, because with the application they can communication with different people from another country or in their country. And in teaching, the teacher can be using this application to meet student in anywhere and anytime. And the Zoom is the application used for video conferencing or meeting. Zoom you can be used anytime, anywhere by letting the teacher teach student and make it easier for the teacher convey the material. Okay guys, this is my video, and I'm so sorry my video is not good and clearly, and thank you for